Welcome to another fun and educational adventure with zoo animals. In today's video, kids will get to explore and guess the identity of a very strange and surprising animal found in zoos. With its odd features and funny behavior, this animal will keep young learners curious and entertained. Get ready to learn while having fun. A lioness is the female lion, known scientifically as Panthera leo. She is vital to the survival and success of the pride. Lionesses do most of the hunting for the pride and also raise and protect the cubs together. Lionesses hunt in groups, using teamwork to stalk and ambush prey like zebras, wildebeest, and antelope. Lions are called the king of the jungle, even though they usually live in savannas and grasslands, not jungles. Lions live in groups called prides, which can have up to 30 lions. A pride usually includes females, their cubs, and a few males. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers, 5 miles away. They use their roar to talk to other lions and protect their territory. Cats are natural predators. Even domestic cats have strong hunting instincts, and their sharp claws, teeth, and quick reflexes make them skilled hunters of small prey, like rodents and birds. A cat's whiskers are highly sensitive and help them detect changes in their environment. Whiskers can sense tiny changes in air currents. Giraffe is the tallest land animal in the world, with some reaching up to 18 feet, 5.5 meters tall. Giraffes have spots on their bodies, and no two giraffes have the same pattern. Their spots are like fingerprints. Giraffes have a blue-black tongue that is about 18 inches, 45 centimeters long, which helps them reach high leaves without getting sunburned. Wildebeest. Also known as gnu, wildebeests are large antelopes native to Africa, part of the bovid family. The blue wildebeest is more common and widely found, while the black wildebeest has a more limited range and distinct physical features. Wildebeests prefer savannas, open woodlands, and grassy plains, especially in East and Southern Africa. Elephant is the largest land animal on Earth, with African elephants being the biggest species, weighing up to 6,000 kilograms, 13,000 pounds. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat plants like grass, leaves, fruits, and bark. They can eat up to 150 kilograms, 330 pounds, of food in one day. Elephants have a strong sense of smell and can detect water from miles away. This helps them find food and water in dry regions. Deer communicate with each other through body language, sounds, and even scent marking. They can make a variety of noises, including grunts and bleats. Deer are usually active at dawn and dusk, known as being crepuscular. That's when they are out looking for food. Deer have hooves that help them run quickly and silently, which helps them avoid predators. Polar bear is the largest land carnivore in the world. Polar bear is found mainly in the Arctic regions, like Canada, Alaska, Russia, and Greenland. Polar bear is known for seals, especially ringed and bearded seals. Polar bear is protected in many countries due to its declining population. Rhinos are large, thick-skinned herbivores known for their horns and prehistoric appearance. Rhinos live in 5 countries in Africa and parts of India, Nepal, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Rhino horns are not bone. They're made of the same protein as human fingernails and hair. Rhinos can recognize each other by smell and sound, and mothers form strong bonds with their calves. Zebra is a wild horse-like animal known for its black and white stripes. Each zebra's stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Zebra's stripes are not only beautiful, but also help them stay cool in the heat and confuse predators by blending together in groups. Zebra lives in Africa and is usually found in grasslands, savannas, and mountainous areas. Gorillas are the largest primates and share about 98% of their DNA with humans. Gorillas live in countries like Uganda, Rwanda, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Cameroon. Gorillas can learn sign language, use tools, and show emotions like grief, joy, and empathy. Male gorillas are much larger than females. Hippopotamuses are one of the largest land animals. Only elephants and rhinos are bigger. Even though they live in water, hippos can't actually swim. They walk or bounce along the bottom of rivers and lakes. Hippos spend most of their day in water to keep cool under the hot sun. Their skin can get sunburned, so water helps protect them. Hippos have huge mouths that can open up to 150 degrees wide. They also have big teeth that can grow over 1 foot long. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans over 15,000 years ago. Dogs are as smart as a 2 to 3-year-old human child. They can understand up to 250 words and gestures. They can read human emotions. They recognize sadness, happiness, anger, and even lying. Did you guess it right? Great job if you did. And if not, don't worry. More fun is on the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss a new learning adventure with us. We explore wild, funny, and amazing animals every week just for you. Thanks for watching.